All right, fellow RC addicts, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Pirates2 TC-8 by ZD Racing. It's a 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive brushless electric touring car, as you can see. And out of the box, it features here you've got the 11.1 volt 25C 300 milliamp hour Roar approved LiPo packs. Programmable 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip radio with high torque metal gear steering servo. Powerful KB 3660 kilovolt 2400 brushless electric motor. Programmable 80 amp ESC. Aircraft grade T6 aluminum chassis. Large capacity shock absorbers. 3 differentials. Full ball bearings. 4-wheel independent suspension. 1/8 scale, ready to run, electric, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 gigahertz controller. Just charge the batteries and go. Now, this car right here comes in 2 versions. The version that we just read off right here, and it comes in a roller chassis with no electronics, just a car chassis. That's about it. What I got was the roller. So we'll take a look at the box and see the description and everything, and see what's inside. So we see this one side of the box right here, okay? And the other side, that first one was red, this one's yellow, okay? And it still says the same thing on the other side here. Here are the 2 cars side by side. 1/8 scale brushless electric touring car. On this side, let's bring it a little closer. You can see what the internals of the vehicle looks like right here. And we've got some pictures here. All the metal, ultra high, smooth degree of large capacity shock absorbers. I'm reading word for word right there, okay? 1 Roar approved 25C 11.1 3000 milliamp hour LiPo battery packs. Space level T6 aluminum alloy chassis frame. Space level. So we can shoot this into space. We're sending this. Let's see. A powerful KB 3660 kV 2400 brushless motor delivers outrageous speed. I'm looking for outrageous speeds. Here we've got the long 4-wheel independent suspension system. Has a good performance of increasing off-road ability. I don't know about going off-road with a touring car, but maybe on some packed dirt or something, maybe. Programmable 80 amp brushless ESC. Okay, and there's some more description here. Okay, we're going to read that. The newly developed Pirates2 brushless touring car combines the enormous performance of 1/8 scale competition nitro buggies with all the advantages of electric powered models. The premium equipment, it's premium. The premium equipment is unique in the price range. Potent brushless motor as standard. To complete, all you need are LiPo drive batteries and dry or rechargeable cells for the radio control system. I'm reading word for word. Speeds of brushless touring car, 50 plus miles per hour, 80 plus kilometers per hour out of the box. Then you have the specifications of length, width, height, so on and so forth. Gear ratio 12:1, and you have 0.59 or 15 millimeters of ground clearance. Okay, and as part of the ongoing improvement process, ZD Racing reserves the right to modify this vehicle specifications, colors, and decals to an appearance with the details not shown on this box. They got that wording absolutely perfect in English there. So the vehicle is capable of extremely high speeds and is not recommended for use by ages 14 and under. It's a good thing I'm way over that. So read and follow the instructions, which I urge everyone to do. Read and follow the instructions carefully before operating. Adult supervision is required during the operation. Do not operate on public roads, in crowded areas, or where it interferes with pedestrians. Do not operate where there is vehicle traffic. Contains chemicals known to the state of California, USA, to cause birth defects and other reproductive damage or cancer. Me and my wife are done having our kids, so that won't be a problem, I think. So, that's your box. And now, this is how this came to me. Just like you see it. There was no outside brown cardboard box. It wasn't wrapped in anything. It was sent just as you see it. Okay? Now I cheated. I did open the box to make sure nothing was broken in case I had to send it back. So far so good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open up. Now this version, like I said, is just a roller version. No electronics, no nothing. And let's see what we get in the box. Instruction manual. Like I said, I do urge you guys to read it, even though this is just a roller. Still read your instructions. So you got your instruction manual, comes with some zip ties, and looks like some double-sided sticky tape down there in the corner. See the zip ties down there? And some little rubber grommet thingies. When I read the instructions, I'll find out what those are for. So we're going to set this to the side for now. What else do we have in the box here? Okay, this looks to be servo mount, maybe. Either the servo mount or the receiver box. Here. Oh, and you got some screws. Motor mount. Part of the motor mount, anyway. And I got a little pinion gear in there too. I don't know how many teeth that is, but yeah, got that. And in the box, we have the card. Now, like I said, that's how it came. There's no other cardboard or anything in there. It fit perfectly inside that box. So we're going to take that, set it aside. And here you have it. Pirates2 TC-8 by ZD Racing. .1/8, ready to run, 4-wheel drive, ZD Racing. So let's say www.zingyawa.com. I'm gonna have to check out that website, see where it takes us. Got the headlight stickers and everything on it. We got that nice bright yellow and orange so you can see it from far away. Orange wheels. Oh, it's even got mirror stickers. Nice touch. Got a nice big wing in the back. Pirates2. Got your little exhaust stickers and whatnot. Alright, well, let's get inside and see what's going on. So, first the outside. The body looks alright. It's pretty hard plastic. It is, what's it called? PVC plastic. It's that PVC plastic. Okay? It's not the prettiest or best looking body, but It'll do. Got these body pins off, and we can see what the inside looks like. Now, already taking the body pins off, they're nice hefty body pins. There's something that I see here that a lot of my cars already don't have. And it's these little metal washers here to help from the body getting punched through. It's pretty cool. You got 4 of these on all 4 posts. So be careful when you take them off, you don't lose them. What I'm going to do is I will likely glue these down to the body so I don't have to worry about the pins and the rings. So we set the body aside. Let's take a closer look at the body here on the inside. See, it's just finished in white. Set PVC. Maybe I'll do something, put some lights on this one, do some nighttime running. And there we go. Like I said, it's just a chassis, no electronics. It's pretty weighty, feels durable, and I like for the price that this comes at. You got the metal shocks, oil-filled shocks, you can do that. The tires are not foam-filled, but they are pretty rubbery and grippy. The wheels are a little flexy here. Well, on the inside, I guess, because the spokes are keeping it. But yeah. Now let's see here. You do have that space grade CNC machined aluminum alloy chassis right there, from here to here, all aluminum. You got that nice big bumper up front. For those of you who like to hit curbs or mailboxes like myself. Your spur gear here is in the center. Okay, you got your 4-wheel drives. Nice chassis support. It'd been nice if they had one that ran straight across from tower to tower. Maybe that's something we can add later. Space enough here for 2 2S or 2 3S batteries. So your batteries will go here. Your servo will go here. Here's your servo arm. Motor and ESC go here. Here's your motor mount. Metal. I'm not sure. I think this spur gear is plastic. It feels plastic. So I'd probably upgrade it to a metal one later on down the road. Full adjustable metal shocks. I like that. Those are big and beefy. Aluminum tower, shock tower brace right here. Aluminum, metal. Yeah. Now, I decided on this car because I like to play on a budget. I can't always be out there buying the newest $400, $500, $600 cars. So this here is going to be the first in a line of budget builds for the channel. And I got this to help you guys out there who are in the same predicament, who can't afford the $600 Armor, Traxxas, you know, whatever else is out there. And what we're going to do with this guy, we're going to go the budget route. We're going to get decent budget electronics, decent budget batteries, and work with what we got in the garage to get this guy rolling. So it is going to be a true budget build, this one here. This is my first 8th scale on-road car. I've got some 10th scale cars, but we're going to see what we can do given a little bit of resources, and see if we can keep up with the bigger expensive brands. And I gotta say one thing about ZD Racing: parts availability for this car, or for their cars that they offer, you can find them on the Banggood website, you can find them Amazon, you can even find them on Walmart's website, the online shop website. So yeah, so here's a brief glimpse of what's going to be coming, and we're going to source some electronics. We're going to source a receiver, transmitter, and yeah, motor, ESC, and a servo. Those are the things we need to complete this car. We've already got batteries in the garage, so like I say, it's a budget build, so we're not going to buy anything special for it. We're going to source what we have laying around, cram them inside of this guy, and see where she takes us. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, ding the bell for notifications so you know when new videos are dropping, so you can stay notified of that. If you've been visiting the channel for a while, welcome back. Welcome, 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 everyone. And this is where I bid you guys adieu. Thanks for stopping by, checking it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think I should put in here in the comments below as far as electronics and all that good stuff. I have a pretty good idea of what I'm going to stick in there, but I'd like to hear what you guys would stick in something like this. And yeah, don't be shy. Comment down below. Thank you very much. And I urge you guys, share the knowledge, keep the hobby alive, and God bless. Peace.